So here's a quick view of charging your 18 volts cordless 1/2 inch drill driver kit by Rigid. So once you start using it and then it doesn't, the drill seems to like not doing its work anymore, then that's the time that you need to charge the battery. So make sure when you purchase it, you put away your charger where you can find it easily, because you will need to charge unless you have an extra battery pack. So this is how it is when it's charging. The base is going to do the green light off and on, and then here's the bar while it's charging. And this was originally bought at Home Depot. I think that was $99 then, and it's still $99 now. But it has lasted over 2 years for me already, and it still works good. Just make sure to charge your battery.